Hey y'all, it's your girl Chi-Town. Today we're visiting Hairville and we're back with another headband wig from the Wenyu brand on Amazon. Just showing y'all everything that came in the package, and don't mind my edges, I have them like this so y'all can see how I fixed them for the wig. So the wig did kind of have a scent, but it wasn't a bad one. And this is the wig straight out of the packaging. Of course, you've got to manipulate it a little, so use water and brush through it, which you'll see me do later on. Now I'm going to use my black castor and flaxseed oil Eco Styler gel to lay down my edges. This little edge brush did not come with the wig. It came with one of my other units, but I'm pretty sure you can find one on Amazon. Oh, and the Eco Styler gel, sometimes you can find it at Walmart, but you can also find it at your local hair store. This is not a step that you have to do for the headband wigs. I just like the look that it gives. My initial thought when putting this wig on was that it was way too short, but because it's curly, I figured I'd have to, comb through it a little bit to get a better look. I've had a few people ask why I wear wig caps underneath the headband wigs. That's not something that you have to do. However, I do it because I don't want to risk having the wig rub my hair out. I must mention that the curls on this unit are extremely soft. They're very pretty. I'm going to take my plain water just to separate them a little bit. Now I'm going to show you all the headbands and we're done. That's it for this installation video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time.